Obviously you can tell it's in, it's not bolted in yet or anything. I don't put the screws in until the trim is on because this gives me a little bit ability to lift it a little bit, which is easier to get the trim to slide under the headlight assembly. Now, and again, I'm using these aftermarket LED bulbs for the halos, which I highly recommend, and I will have those listed in the description. I don't see the reason to put in these headlights and then have kind of those sickly yellow factory halo bulbs. So I really like these Umnitsa LED bulbs. They work really, really well, which is why I'm using this plug as well. Obviously, I've fed this up now. I probably have a little too much wire here. Like I said, it's probably 8 inches or so. You could have been less, but that's okay. This gives me the ability to tuck it back in a way and have it out of the way. But I left this pulled up so you can see how it loops up from the marker light. I have it up to the adapter here. I have it tapped into the adapter with its probably resistor or transformer or whatever the heck that thing is. And then it comes down and ties into the LED here. I've got everything else all plugged in. So really the only remaining steps that you need to do are swing the trim back into place. I find, like I mentioned a second ago, make sure that rubber gasket is on it, and then you hook it in this end and then slowly feed it underneath the headlight, under these little plastic tabs, and then into the little hook receptacle right here. Be careful when you do it. You don't want to scratch up your bumper or anything. Once that's done, you put your 2 top shorter headlight bolts in here and here. You put the 2 lower ones in. And if you haven't done the other side, then go and do the other side.